the new WMF Espresso. This is our new hybrid coffee machine, which is available as a three-phase machine. On the top we have a heated cup rack, and when we slide back, it reveals our two hoppers, each of 550 grams. These hoppers are air-cooled and have an individual fan on each hopper to keep them at room temperature so we don't spoil the beans. Moving down to the front of the machine, we have two hot water buttons that are programmable available, along with a manual steam arm on the right, and on the left an automatic steam arm. We can program the automatic steam arm to texture milk in three different ways, depending on the type of drink you're going to be producing. We have two group heads with either a single portafilter or a double portafilter available. Each of them programmable with three drinks: Ristretto, Espresso and Lungo. The group heads automatically recognise which portafilter is inserted, whether this being a double or a single, on screen clearly marked. This eradicates the mistake of dosing incorrectly, which can often happen with traditional machines. Moving further down, we have our pressure gauges for both the steam and the water pressure. And in the centre, we have our cup heater, which has two jets so we can heat 2 cups at a time. The machine is positioned on legs so that we can fit the grout straws underneath, thus saving space on the counter. The machine design is typically looking like a traditional machine, but where the advantages are on this machine is that it eradicates those processes that are often made as big mistakes with traditional machines, from grinding, tamping. Pre-infusion then happens and delivering a consistent espresso. With the use of the automatic steam wand, this also eradicates using cool milk and consistently delivers you a high quality foam.